Hi, this is Heather Murphy, and this is my second video for my instructional tutorial. I chose Weebly for my second one because I wanted to make a classroom website that's very interactive with the students, and a third grade teacher in my school uses Weebly and was user-friendly, so she kind of showed me how to use it. And so I selected it because we are really using classroom websites to kind of lead instruction in a way, so kind of that blended learning piece, so all the information and the stuff is in one spot, so the students just have to get on our website. And so the purpose of Weebly is just to make a website. I mean, you can make online stores or things like that, but for us it's to make a great classroom website that's easy and user-friendly to kind of navigate. My two standards was the ISTE teacher, the 4D, and the ISTE 6A. So the fostering the culture where students take ownership of their learning goals and outcomes, both independently and group settings. And then the 4D was demonstrate cultural competency when communicating with students, parents, and colleagues. And this also helps collaborate because parents can get on this website too and see what their students are doing. If their students need to do something at home, it's all on the website. And so that's kind of the purpose of this classroom. I brought you to third grade because this is a complete one, and then I'll kind of walk you through how to do some things on the one that I'm currently building. So the home site is just kind of, they have their calendar and kind of about them and contact information. And then, like in their reading, they have tabs. So they have 2 weeks where they review about the Statue of Liberty and work on that. They have Mo Willems, they have mixed up files, and so they just have tabs for different things. And then if you go to one of them, they have Mo Willems stuff. So they put up some videos, they put up some little books and cartoons, and then they put up stories you can listen to, make a comic strip, and assignments. And so this is kind of just how one looks. They also have math, and here's some things, games to play, some videos to watch. They also blog, and then they have extra stuff that doesn't kind of fall into these categories. So when you go to Weebly, it is free as long as you put your kind of your little URL, you add the name Weebly in it. So ours is secondgradeI.weebly.com, and then it becomes free. And you edit the site, and it takes you to it. And then it's pretty simple to do as soon as it loads. So we're starting, this is not the color scheme, but it's kind of just a work in progress. And I kind of got us started. And then if you just want to add something, say I want to add something here, you just click and you drag it wherever you want to. So I want to add some text here. So then I can click and I can say field trip info. And then if I wanted to add an image, I just click and drag it underneath it. If it loads, oh, there it is. And right here's the image. And then you can just upload from your computer, search URL. If you decide I don't want an image, you just click delete. Say instead of an image, I wanted a slideshow, or I wanted a button so they can go somewhere, or say I was just done, field trip info, and I'm done. Then I can add a new section underneath and move on, or I can add a divider and put YouTube videos. And then like for my pages, I already kind of put all our sections we're doing in reading, but you just go to pages and you need to add a page, you just add a page. It could be a blog page, category page, product page, any kind of page you want to. You just click on it, you type the page name, field trip. It's already putting the new page up here, and then it'll add up there when it's done. And then if you want to change the order of it, if it needs to be under math, you just kind of move it under math, and then it kind of switches up there. So it's very friendly to use. And then once you're done, you just hit publish, and then you make your URL code, and that's kind of how it goes. And then your kids and your parents can all see this website that you would like to. And if you need to have more security so not anyone can click on it, when you go to publish, there's also a password that they can put in to make sure that they're going to this site and not everyone can get on there. All right. Thank you for listening.